Hello, good evening, everyone. Hi, Sarika. Hi, Suman. Hello, Aji Absani. Hello, Harsha. Hi, Ethan. Hi, Naveen. Hello, good evening. So, as you all know, that today it is a particularly a session, live session for with a guest. So, this is my new series which I have started with the name of Connect with Kirti, and my guest is already here. So, without much ado, I would just like to invite her and have her in. Thank you to joined in. Thank you so much. Am I audible?
Hi,
Welcome,
good
Rita
evening.
ma'am. Welcome. Good evening, Rita ma'am. Thank you so much for accepting my invite. And it's indeed my honor to have you as my first guest in my series, Connect with Kirti.
Thank
Welcome you
you.
from the bottom
Th-
of my heart.
Thank you.
So, Rita ma'am needs no introduction as such because she's a big name in the pageant industry. But for other viewers, I would just like to introduce she is a retired Lieutenant Dr. Rita Gangwani, President of India Awardee, honored by World Book of Record. She's founder Riga House, that's a pageant training consultancy. She holds 39 years of experience. Yes, 39 years of experience in the pageant industry. She's an author, she's a corporate trainer, and there are lots and lots of layers to her life, which she would be, sharing with each one of us today during the session. She's also a very renowned pageant trainer, model groomer. So name it, and she has it in her as a credit to her. So without much ado, I think we should just begin. Rita ma'am, over to you. Please share your journey with us.
Okay, so my journey is, multiple hats I've been wearing for all these years. It started with me joining the Indian Army, and I'm the first lady army officer in the MNS Corps from Himachal Pradesh. And after my stint in the army and after I hung my uniform, I realized in the army we had a subject called OLQ, Officers Like Qualities, where we were taught how to sit, stand, how to, interact with people. And when I went into the civil world, I realized most of the people didn't have those finesse, that kind of manners were not there. And in those days, I'm talking in somewhere around 1980. In those days, people were more interested in having a degree rather than getting groomed, or they had no idea what was the purpose of personality development. Anytime you
Correct,
talk
correct.
about personality development, people used to always think, ये तो model बना देगी, this type of a, so parents were very reluctant about sending their children for personality development classes. It's only when we became a little globalized, the computers came in, the cables came in, people realized the value of actually looking your best, not only academically, but also how do you present yourself. Because if you're going to go global, if you want to join the corporate, then you should have those basic manners which are required internationally. So this is when
Absolutely.
people became aware of personality development. In the meantime, I had gone to Switzerland to Mount Curie Finishing School, from where I learnt the advanced technique of personality development. Multiple things I learned there. So that, along with my army experience, it helped me a lot to get into the industry. And initially, it was all, giving out complimentary classes for people to be aware about what personality development is. And slowly it grew, and now it's everywhere. Everybody wants to polish themselves. Everybody wants to actually present themselves in well. So got into corporates, got into the fashion industry, glamour industry, started training at Sony Television, and a whole lot of people. Even the hotels like Oberoi's, the automobile Audi. So all these big brands joined hands, and I managed to get a lot of people at the international platform. And by God's grace, some of my students have made me very proud by becoming the international winners in various categories, whether it is Mrs., Mr., or Miss, and even teenagers. So yeah,
Yes,
it's been
yes.
a very satisfying journey, and one thing led to another. And then during those days when I was started my training, I realized that Nanak Dukhiya Sab Sansar, everybody had problems. So then I went ahead and I learned CTC, which is combined therapy, in which there is Reiki, there is teacup reading, there's all kind of healing techniques, so that people who had everything going but still something was blocking them helped me to actually get them out of the darkness and work on themselves. Yeah, so that's about my journey.
Lovely, ma'am. Wonderful. You very well said that that those days personality development was not really a subject. It was not something that people really felt the need to learn. However,
Yeah,
contrary to that times today, even a 8-year-old is attending personality development classes. So the times have
true.
definitely changed. And yes, your journey was really, really inspiring, because what I feel here that you kept on learning. You did not
Yeah.
stop every time. And I know you're an author too, and you have so many layers, of course, which we would be opening up right now during the session, that so much you have been evolving as a person despite of being a well-known person in this pageant industry. And you have shaped up a lot of careers, because you have a lot of contribution in making a lot of Miss Indias and Mrs. Indias. And I would like to share here, I don't know if you remember, ma'am, my journey as in the pageant world started in 2018. So my first event while I was a contestant was for Sari Sanskriti, that is Salma Sultan's, that news anchor, the legendary golden era news anchor. She had an event. So I had gone there in that event as a contestant, and I won Miss Best Smile and Fashion Walk. And I got my award from you. So you were a jury there. So you remember that? So
Yes,
that
I
was the
do.
first time when I met you. And of course, you have not only a very dynamic persona, but also a very loving side to you. Because I remember as a contestant, you told me that Kirti, I can see the potential in you, and best of wishes to you, because you would definitely be successful. And those were like magical words for me, because for a contestant who's appearing for a pageant, these were like a good motivating thing. So I remember that was my first interaction with you, and with God's grace, I won and I evolved in my journey. And then I walked the run with you in Lee Buridan Hotel, if you remember that. And I got,
Yes.
the sharing a space with someone who has achieved so much is like a benchmark for us also, that yes, we are also growing. So, ma'am, it was
Thank
definitely an
you.
honor. And now sharing this space with you, of course, it's like a moment to remember for me. Talking about this
Thank you.
Manushi Chiller, ma'am, I remember that, in 2017 when she won, she really won my heart too, because I thought a 20-year-old girl, वो अपने सपने पूरे कर रही है, और she's fighting from the whole world. She's not thinking about anyone, and just following her dreams, leaving medical career and just following her dreams. So why not? Because this was something which was a hidden desire in me. But during your college time, of course, you could not do, because either it's a parental pressure, or you are so much focused about your career, you don't know, you want to complete your education. So this really took a backseat. And then, of course, I was in my other job and happy, content. So when Manushi won, it kind of ignited that spirit in me. And you have trained Manushi Chiller during her foundation course. That's like a big thing. So please do share any incident or interesting fact or something that you would like to share.
Uh, well, Manushi is one subject which is very close to my heart. Um, Regarding her journey with me as a foundation coach, I trained her in personality development from day one till she went to Miss India. Following Miss India, they once you are a Miss India, then Times of India takes over, and then they train you for the further journey. So I don't have much of a contribution beyond Miss India, except for certain calls here and there, and maybe just guiding her about the current affairs. But till Miss India, right from day one, so she had come to me with her mother, and that too with the reference of Koyal Rana, previous Miss India who I had trained. And she had that spark in her eyes. There are three qualities which I would like to share about her as a person. One, she's very focused, very, very focused. She said that she had that dream, and besides doing whatever she was doing, learning medicine, she decided that she wants to go for it, and she was very focused. No other pageant except for Miss India. I'm only going to try that, nothing else. So very focused about Miss India. Second is, if you just look at her diary, she's very time conscious, very punctual. Everything is properly assigned. You know, itne baje se itne baje this, itne baje se itne baje this. So very punctual. You know, if I say you have to be there at 5 minutes to 9, she will be there 5 minutes to 9. So that is another quality, that she never ever made me wait for anything. And three, whatever I told her, she she took it as patthar ka lakeer, you know. She believed in what I told her without arguments, without it's like a guru, you know. You learn from a guru and you believe, you have that faith in your guru, that whatever the guru is going to tell you is for their benefit. So even if I yell, shout, give her homework or anything, she did it very, very sincerely. And one incident when you mention is that once she became Miss India, she had called me from Mumbai, and she says, "Ma'am, would you be there at the airport for my homecoming?" So I have recently had an open heart bypass surgery, and I had stitches. So I was just telling her that I am avoiding the crowd because, you know, people push, and with
For the
her
infection.
around, people will push and I might get hurt. She says, "No, no, don't worry. My parents will take care." And so I was there, and because I was taken care of by her parents, so they kept me right in the front. Even her parents were behind me when she was coming out of the airport. So when she came out of the airport door, the first person she saw was me, and I had a bouquet in my hand, and I also was the first one to greet her. So I instantly gave her the bouquet, and the first thing she did was she bent down and she touched my feet, hugged me, and she said a big thank you. So that humbleness, that humility in front of thousands of people, acknowledging you as a mentor, was something which will always be very close to my heart. And I think this is one quality which has kept her going. She's very grounded and very fixed to her roots. So yeah, this is one incident which I will never forget, will always remain very close to my heart. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing it. And ma'am, I think these are the point we should take all the viewers who are watching, because these are the things, the whole purpose of these sessions are that we can learn from others' experience, how they
Yeah.
grew in life, what are the qualities which are required, because it's not subjected just to pageantry. चाहे कोई भी field हो life का, हर में जीवन में जैसे आपने बताया focus, punctuality, पत्थर की लकीर, मतलब अपने गुरु पे अगर आपने ट्रस्ट किया तो इवन इफ इट्स चैलेंजिंग, इवन इट्स डिफिकल्ट, इवन इफ समथिंग यू डोंट अग्री टू, बट यू फॉलो दैट. And of course humility and being grounded, no attitude, even if she could have done anything, she was busy, but still she felt the need, and she respected you for your training, for your blessings. And that's what I think we all need to imbibe from our Miss World and our Guru Cool, as what people call you. I must tell my audience here that, because of your persona and your moving along with the generations, because you deal with different generations, and your happy-go-lucky nature, you have been called Guru Cool, cool guru by all your students lovingly. And I'm lots of
Thank you.
hearts are coming your ways, lots of hellos from different people for you. And thank you so much to the audience for joining in. We are having conversation with retired Lieutenant Dr. Rita Gangwani. And ma'am, next question, I think I would ask the challenges. A lot of people think that, oh, isko to easy mil gaya, iske circumstances bahut easy honge. Maybe husband ne support kiya, father had financial, maybe a lot of finances. So people usually, what they feel that कि जिसको सक्सेस मिली है, कुछ अच्छा उसको फेवरेबल चांसेस होंगे. So nobody realizes that everyone has a difficult journey, everyone has a difficult and their own challenges. So what were the challenges, ma'am, which you faced in your life, and how I would like you to share it with us.
Yeah. I think everybody has their own story, and I have mine. I come from a middle class family. My father was a doctor, my mother was a housewife. And I was born 16 years after my brothers. So I was, there was a way long, distance between me and my, so my brothers were like my fathers, 16 years elder to me. Uh, but my challenges were that, in fact, I would say two of my biggest challenges, along with the being, since I was a middle class and my brothers were studying, so all the money was going in their education. So I was, not all that privileged with stuff as I grew up. So I had to struggle for stuff, and like everyone else, I have also worn my cousins ke kapde and all that kapde, all we have to, and I love them. I still want to wear them, because you get that loving feeling when you get it from your cousins, sisters, and stuff. Well, that was my childhood. But as I was growing up, somewhere in fifth or sixth, I realized the biggest challenge of my life is that I wasn't growing. I was very short. All my friends had grown beyond 5 feet, and I was 4 feet 5 inches, and I continued to be 4 feet 7 inches till my class 12. And people used to call me Thingu, Boni. They used to call me all these names with love, but it used to really hurt me. And Pehla Pehla Pyar Hai. Once there was a guy who looked so much like Amitabh Bachchan, and in those days Amitabh Bachchan ji was on big craze. So this guy looked like Amitabh Bachchan, and when he got to know that I had a crush on him, he in front of everyone he said ki ye na akal hai na shakal. That kind of a words he used for me. And it was really, really sad because I wanted to be in the glamour world, but nobody accepted me. School annual play, they will not take me. Wanted to be an air hostess, they refused looking at my height. Wanted to be Miss India. No one was ready to accept me in those days. And that was a big challenge. And one of my teachers actually brought me out of that prison, self-created prison, by telling me that unless you don't love yourself, no one will love you. So first thing, if you want people to love you, is first you accept yourself. And she made me write down on a piece of paper what are the good things I have and what are the bad things I feel I have. And when we looked at the list of good was much longer than list of bad. And she says, see, you have so much. Your height is just a small little minuscule part of your persona. So just shift your focus from your height to what you have. And then I changed the focus, and this is when I wanted to join the Indian Army, and I got into Indian Army. So that was one challenge which my teacher helped me overcome. And second was that when I was a little girl, I wasn't actually, and coming from a small town like Shimla, there was nothing called like self-care, and I never actually bothered as a teenager how I look till I actually joined the Indian Army. So till then, I never bothered how I look. So I used to look quite dusky in those days. Not to say that I'm very fair. I'm still okay, wheatish, but not as dusky as I used to be when I was a kid.
You're
And
very charming.
not only I'm short, but also dusky. So there were all kinds of comments coming to my parents, Kali hai, shadi nahi hogi, Boni hai, iska kya hoga. People coming up with all kinds of uptons and all kinds of ye lagalo, tomato lagalo, kheere lagalo, all kinds of things on my face. And then when my brother, he took me, when I was going to join the Indian Army, I was still very raw. And he said, okay, you might need a bit of a makeup. So let's go buy some makeup. And I went to this makeup shop with my brother. And in those days, foundation used to be very thick, So this lady is showing me foundation. And just because I was dusky, she went ahead and she, rubbed the foundation on my hand. And she says, dekhiye, aapka color hai. And that color was 3,000 times fairer than what I was. And I kept telling her, nahi, ye mera color nahi hai. She says, nahi, ye aapka hi color hai. And she made me wear that white foundation, and I was laughed at by everyone because I looked like a geisha, so it was horrible. So that was another thing. It was a challenge. And then again, as I went into the army and I met my friends, and I realized that it was not my complexion, it was the talent which I had picked up because of running around in the sunlight. And as we learned self-care and I started taking care of myself, slowly, the tan went away and the real color came out. But you know, I realized that people are obsessed with looking fair. If you're not fair, you are not worth it. You know, society has created you can say a box. If you fit into it, you are accepted. If you don't fit into it, you are an outcast. So for a long time in my life, I was an outcast till I gained charge of my own self, and I realized if I do not start to drive my own life's car, somebody else will drive it in some other way. And that's when I took charge and I sat for the exam, joined the army, came out as an officer, and and started this learning process in my life, which I'm, as you said, I'm learning till now, because I believe age is just a number. For your benefit, I am a senior citizen, and quite a senior citizen. So people keep telling me, "Ab kya padne ki zarurat hai?" But I say, "Nahi. You know, you can learn things till the last moment of your life. Anytime you bring out the fish from the water, the fish is always fresh. आप fish को खाते हुए नहीं पूछते ये कितनी बुढ़ी है या कितनी जवान है. Fish is a fish. So similarly, life may till the, and everyone in your life can teach you. Every situation in a life can teach you. So now there is a better learning opportunity than I was a child. There is YouTube, there are people who, so many books available. So I would suggest to everyone, whatever is your passion in life, just pick it up. Just pick it up, learn, and grow so big that any challenges you are facing look, minuscule in front of that. Your knowledge is bigger and powerful than anything else. People will not look at your size and shape. People will look at how much you know. And that is your power. And that's what I'm still learning. And recently I finished a course in being a clairvoyant. I finished a course in being a happiness coach, and so forth. So I'm learning all the time, and yes, and I love makeup. So I keep learning from here and there. And anything new, I like to experiment on myself. So yeah, it's been a great journey with challenges, but God has been kind that, I realized that we are made certain way for a reason. And I think I was made short and dark for a reason, to tell people, that nothing matters as long as you know your own worth. Nothing else matters in life. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. They will keep saying, let them say. आप अच्छा करोगे तो भी लोग बोलेंगे, देखो जी शो ऑफ ये वो. आप बुरा करेंगे तो भी बोलेंगे, ऐसे हमको तो पहले से ही पता था. So लोग तो बोलेंगे ही. So just become deaf to the people around you, and just concentrate on you being a good human being and you being a powerful, knowledgeable human being. Because that's the difference between a man and an animal. We have brain, we can learn. So use it. Use this life God has given you for positivity.
Very well said, ma'am. I think very, very inspiring. And there are a lot of comments which are coming, which is saying that they're loving your session. You are very inspiring, kind words. So I think this is what is the whole purpose of this series, that you should, like, what said, your purpose was probably to add value in people's life. Like, you became a coach, and from so many years, you have been training people, guiding people, motivating people, and you're learning yourself. And that's what is the need of the hour. In fact, I truly believe in this. During COVID, I know a lot of things were standstill. बहुत कुछ नहीं हो पाया. Events were seized. काफी कुछ हम लोग lockdown था, अब नहीं जा पा रहे थे. But the least what even I kept telling people, whoever were in touch with me, that छोटे छोटे courses हैं, आप करिए, at least knowledge बढ़ेगी. The same way, like you said, you are a happiness coach now. So you have, if you look back last year से अब तक मैंने क्या सीखा, so you've upgraded yourself, and that is what is probably the actual real mindset. We need to shift the way we think. We need to keep learning and keep evolving. And self love, ma'am, you mentioned, it is so true. I think हमारे भारत में खासकर बहुत सारे लोग इस बात को रिलेट कर पाएंगे कि सबको एक कॉन्शियस है, कोई बालों को लेकर, कोई बॉडी टाइप को लेके, कलर को लेके बहुत ज्यादा है, height को लेके, weight को लेके. Weight is also a big issue. Sometimes there are hereditary problems. Sometimes it's something which is beyond you. So everybody wants to just be size 0. And like you said, everybody wants to be accepted in a particular way, which is the the ways which is set by the society, कि अगर आप इतने पतले हो तभी आप बहुत अच्छे हो, वरना आप नहीं होगे, अगर आप गोरे हो तभी आप सुंदर माने जाओगे, वरना आप नहीं माने जाओगे. So all that is very very true, and it's only that once we start believing in ourselves, and very nicely how you put up that your coach told you to do. So I think I would urge to all the viewers who are here, you should also write your 10 good points and negatives, and probably you'll see what you have more. And अगर कुछ shortcomings ऐसी हैं जिनको हम work कर सकते हैं, like height and weight can be reduced, eyesight cannot be, height cannot be, hair can still be taken care of. So certain things which अगर confidence नहीं है आपका, तो आप उसको evolve कर सकते हो, उसको आप develop कर सकते हो. तो find your shortcomings, work on them, and accept your positives and work on those positives, focus on those. So I'm very true about self-love. Talking about self-love, ma'am, I think I would like to ask you another thing, that women, being women, I can see a lot of women who are here right now. Most of them are women. So women usually have a more challenging life. That's what I feel, being a woman myself. That you are a mother, you're a wife, you're a daughter, and you're doing all the roles, and you also have this society pressure that you have to be perfect. आपको एक अच्छी बीवी रहना है, आपको अच्छी माँ रहना है, अगर आप बच्चों को छोड़ के जा रहे हो, so that's your onus. So there are lots of things on the society mind which somehow comes to us, and it's like a part of our life. So कहीं ना कहीं हमारी priority कम हो जाती है, and अपने के लिए, और that self love, despite of knowing that self love is so important, but still we tend to ignore us, and बहुत सारी चीजें जो हम करना चाहते हैं वो नहीं कर पाते. तो मैम उसके लिए आप क्या बोलेंगे, कि क्या कैसे मोटिवेट करेंगे कि जो भी लेडीज हैं जिनके कुछ डिजायर्स हैं, कुछ उनके पैशन है, how they should go about it and inculcate that self love as a part of their life?
Absolutely, because when you speak to most of the women, one excuse, इतने काम है, हमारे पास टाइम ही कहाँ है. So for people who always say कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, I always tell them, कौन कहता है कि टाइम नहीं है? सक्सेसफुल लोगों के पास भी उतना ही टाइम है जितना आपके पास है. So if you don't have time, what you can do, आधा घंटा जल्दी उठ जाओ, आधा घंटा देर से सो. You have at least 1 hour for your own self. So first thing, टाइम निकालना आपके अपने हाथ में है. Second thing is that जब तक डिजायर नहीं होगी ना, आप कितना भी किसी को कह दोगे कि कुछ कर लो कर लो कर लो. आई एम श्योर लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स आल्सो गेट बूस्टेड बाय देयर हस्बैंड्स, कुछ कर लो, बट अंदर से डिजायर ही नहीं है तो क्यों करेंगे? और डिजायर क्या है? जस्ट टू लुक एट ऑल दोस, एंड व्हाट आर यू गेनिंग आउट ऑफ इट? इट्स a sheer you don't learning anything. Fine, I also watch serials on and off, ऐसा नहीं है, but I think that particular time can be invested into your learning. आप उसको YouTube पे या किसी और चीज पे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड एक टाइम बांध लीजिए कि yes, okay, I will give about half an hour एक सीरियल के लिए, बाकी इतना टाइम मैं अपने लिए रखूंगी. So time management is one thing which you have to learn in case you want to get that. And secondly, self love is so important because you are the root of the family. आप रूट हैं और इसके ऊपर ये पेड़ बना हुआ है फैमिली का. बच्चे, हस्बैंड, इन लॉ, सब इस पेड़ पे डिपेंडेंट हैं. रूट आप हैं. और कहते हैं ना कि अगर जड़ कमजोर है तो पेड़ गिरेगा ही गिरेगा. सो इफ यू डोंट लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्फ, इफ यू डोंट लुक, मेंटली आप खुश नहीं है, फिजिकली आपको प्रॉब्लम है, यू डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ, तो आप जब बीमार रहने लगेंगे, परेशान रहने लगेंगे, तो सिर्फ आप ही नहीं इफेक्ट होते, आपके साथ जुड़े हुए सारे लोग इफेक्ट होते हैं. इट्स अ रिपल इफेक्ट. और आजकल की जनरेशन के जो बच्चे हैं वो भी चाहते हैं कि हमारे जो पीटीएम मीटिंग है, हमारी मम्मी भी सुंदर बन के आए, अच्छे से बन के आए, एंड दे वांट टू शो ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स on the PTM meeting. So what a wonderful and a prideful feeling if you make your children proud, that you land up there looking like a diva and say, wow, that one is so-and-so's mother. And how have you learned it? You have learned it on your own, either from a magazine or from YouTube. So first thing I would say is to find your passion. देखो आपको क्या चीज अच्छी लगती है करना. If you like to read, you like to write, you like do something, जैसे मैं बार बार कह रही हूँ कि हमें जिंदगी मिली है और इस जिंदगी में चलो बाहर कुछ नहीं सिखा रहे हैं, अपनी फैमिली के लिए कुछ छोड़ के जाओ. So just sit with your children, do some कहानियां सुनाओ उसको, कहानियां पढ़ो, maybe do some activity together, spend quality time together. um, so it's very important. First is a good time management, second is to find your passion, and third is to find a direction कि इस passion को मैं किस direction में लेके जाऊं कि ये passion ना सिर्फ मेरे को as a hobby ही रह जाए, but can also be an earning for me. Because maybe you are a good singer, maybe then you can a good singer, find a direction which way I go that I can maybe create a small CD, or maybe I create an album where I can earn from it. So हर एक चीज से कुछ ना कुछ आप पा सकते हैं, and if you get an earning out of it, what a great satisfaction, you know, that you have earned it for your own self. Because ठीक है, आप मल्टी मिलियनेयर फैमिली में शादी किए हुए हैं, बट जब तक आप अपना एक भी पैसा कमाते हैं ना, वो अंदर से जो फीलिंग आती है सेल्फ वर्थ की, वो फीलिंग अलग ही चीज होती है. सो चाहे आप 10 रुपए भी कमा रहे हैं, बट जिसे आई अर्नड इट फॉर माई ओन सेल्फ, दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सेटिस्फाइंग थिंग फॉर यू. सो कोई वेज एंड मीन्स ढूंढिए, कोई तरीके ढूंढिए दैट यू कैन डू इट. और ये एक्सक्यूजेस हैं कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. You have all the time in the world, but you are wasting that time most of the time either at the WhatsApp university, which is not teaching you anything, and in fact is actually confusing you all the more. So it's important कि आप दिन की शुरुआत ही कुछ अच्छे से करें, कुछ अच्छा सीखने से करें. The moment you get up, don't look at your phone the first thing in the morning. I think you should keep your phone away till afternoon. किसी को आपको आपसे बात करनी होगी, कुछ important होगा, they will call you, they will not WhatsApp you. So again, it's bad manners to keep WhatsApping important things to people. If you have something important, best is to pick up the phone and call. तो अगर आपके पास ऐसा कुछ important नहीं है, तो stop looking at your phone first thing in the morning. Invest that time on yourself. Exercise कीजिए, कुछ नया रेसिपी उठा लीजिए, आज कुछ नया बनाना है मैंने. So not only you are happy, the family is happy, and when the family is happy, everyone is happy. So or plus you are happy because you have done something new. एक रूटीन बना लीजिए कि आज कुछ नया करना है, आज कुछ नया सीखना है. एंड सोने से पहले सोचिए कि आज मैंने क्या नया किया. ओके, आज मैंने ये चीज. अब आई ऑल्सो आई कीप लर्निंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ नॉट्स. नॉट्स कैसे अलग अलग बांधनी है, हैंड राइटिंग थोड़ी सी किसी की देख ली कि हैंड राइटिंग रीडिंग कैसे करते हैं. Learn something, अभी कल ही मैं सीख रही थी हाउ टू क्रिएट डिम्पल्स, एंड ऐसे लोग हो ये तो बड़ी अच्छी चीज है, मुझे डिम्पल बनाना चाहिए. पर देन नीचे लिखा था सब कुछ बनाने के बाद लास्ट में उसने बोला ये तो टेम्परेरी है, पिक्चर के लिए बना सकते हो, परमानेंट नहीं बना सकते. परमानेंट बनाने के लिए तो आपको उस घर में पैदा होना पड़ेगा जिनके डिम्पल्स हैं और आपको हेरिडिटी में मिलते हैं. So learning, as I said, learn. There's no end of learning. The more you learn, the more self-worth, the more happier you as a person. So बात घूम फिर के आप पर ही आती है. You are responsible for your life. Only you can change it. No one else can. किसी के बोलने से जिंदगी नहीं बदलती जब तक आप नहीं बदलना चाहते.
Absolutely well said, ma'am. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि हम लोग रूट्स, हम विमेन ही हैं और हमारी जड़ें अच्छी रहेंगी, तो ऑफ कोर्स the plant will, the whole tree would flourish. So I think that reminds me of my aviation experience. I have aviation experience. So हमें सिखाते थे कि ऑक्सीजन किसी और की मदद करने से पहले अपना ऑक्सीजन पहनो और फिर दूसरों की सहायता करो. Then you would be able to save more lives. तो अगर आप सिर्फ सोचो कि भाई मुसीबत है और आप सबके ऑक्सीजन पहुंचाने चले गए हो, तो यू वुड एंड अप प्रॉब्ली सेविंग लेस पीपल. सो आई थिंक दिस रियली रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ दोज डेज. एंड और दूसरी चीज, आप मैम अभी अगर आपने वायरल वीडियो देखा हो एक, जिसमें कि एक 85-year-old लेडी है, उन्होंने ड्यूरिंग कोविड उन्होंने मिठाई बनाई और वो काफी फेमस हो गई. और शुरू में नेबर्स को दिया, फिर आगे किया, और करते करते तो उसमें दिखाया कि शी अर्न हर फर्स्ट 2,000 rupees, and there was a picture floating with her that इस तरह से कि see I earned after so many 80 to 85 years, I don't remember, but she was very aged, and this is my first earning ever, and it gives me a lot of contentment. तो आपने जो कहा कि चाहे आप पूरे वैसे आप एज ए हाउसवाइफ यू आर हैप्पी कंटेंट, दैट्स फाइन, पर वो जो अपनी खुद की वर्थ होती है, that has its own charm and it has its own way to make you feel good. Ma'am, again, a lot of people here, again, lots of love coming your way. People want to join your institution also. So of course, I think a lot of people want this chat to be saved, which I'm going to save it. So please, you can read it and you can connect with ma'am later. मैम आपने बहुत सारे different pageants के साथ आप associated हो, like whether it is plus size, Mr., Miss, Mrs., transgender, even you're a part of Miss Bhutan, Miss Nepal, so international also pageants you have been a part of. So what is the common thing in all of these, training people, and what is something which is different? How as an experience you feel, when you go for so much different of pageants?
Well, frankly speaking, when I meet the contestants, the first thing which strikes me that everybody has a different agenda. कोई फेमस होने के लिए आता है, कोई फिल्म्स ज्वाइन करने के लिए आता है, कोई टेलीविजन ज्वाइन करने के लिए आता है, एंड स्पेशली मिसेस के कॉन्टेस्ट में मेजॉरिटी लेडीज आती हैं कि जब मैं छोटी थी मुझे चांस नहीं मिला, या शादी के बाद उनकी सेल्फ वर्थ खत्म हो गई है, बच्चे होने के बाद बॉडी जो है वो थोड़ी सी डिफरेंट हो गई है, और उसके कमेंट सुनते हैं तो उनको लगता है मैं ब्यूटीफुल नहीं हूँ, आई वांट टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ ब्यूटीफुल. सो देयर आर डिफरेंट एजेंडाज, वेयर द कंटेस्टेंट्स कम टू मी. हर एक का अपना जिंदगी का एक स्टोरी होता है, which is very very interesting. One thing which I find common in all the contests is that there is a basic human desire to be appreciated. हर कोई चाहता है कि मैं appreciate हूँ, लोग I think it's a fuel, ये पेट्रोल है ह्यूमन बींग्स का, कि आपको अगर appreciation मिलती है, आपको compliments मिलते हैं, तो you feel fulfilled, you want to do more and more, it just boosts you up. So and most of them also say कि ma'am, it's not necessary कि मैं जीतूं, I'm also here because from every pageant you learn a lot. It's a lifelong learning. You make so many friends nationally, internationally, इतने दोस्त आपके बनते हैं. प्लस जो हेजिटेशन आपके अंदर थी कि मैं लोगों से बात नहीं कर सकती, स्टेज फियर हो गया, ये सब यू ओवरकम देम. प्लस मोर ओवर एक पैजेंट के बाद इतने अवेन्यूज खुल जाते हैं, चाहे आपकी पर्सनल जिंदगी हो, चाहे आपकी प्रोफेशनल जिंदगी हो. You get noticed, you might get into modeling, you might get into different fields. So everybody, as I said, comes with a different agenda कि वो क्या चाहते हैं उस contest से. But the common thing, everybody is building their own confidence by coming to the pageants. और बचपन में उन्होंने सपना देखा था, या सुष्मिता को या ऐश्वर्या को देखा था, तो वो क्राउन अपने सर पे देखना चाहते हैं. और आजकल के बच्चों के लिए मानुषी इज द रोल मॉडल कि वो ब्लू क्राउन मेरे को चाहिए. सो दे ऑलवेज कम एंड से कि मुझे ब्लू क्राउन चाहिए. सो इट इज बेसिकली अ फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ योर ड्रीम, एंड आई थिंक सपने देखना सबका हक है, सपने पूरे करना भी सबका हक है. सिर्फ सपने तभी पूरे होते, सपने सिर्फ देखने से पूरे नहीं होते, सपने पूरे होते हैं एक्शन लेने से. अनलेस यू डोंट टेक एक्शन, सिर्फ सोचते रह जाओगे. रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी कि एक आदमी था, वो शिव जी के सामने रोज आरती करता था, भगवान मेरी लॉटरी लगा दे, भगवान मेरी लॉटरी लगा दे, भगवान मेरी लॉटरी लगा दे. तो भगवान जी एक दिन बहुत परेशान हो गए उसकी प्रेयर से, तो वो प्रकट हो गए, उसको बोले भाई तेरी लॉटरी तो मैं लगा दूं, पर तू टिकट तो खरीद. टिकट खरीदा नहीं है और लॉटरी लगा दो, लॉटरी लगा दो. तो बात वही है कि सोचने से कुछ नहीं होता unless you don't take action. And absolutely, most of the students who come from these different pageants have taken the action to come forward. और जैसे आपने कहा कि अब हर तरह के pageants हैं, अगर आप 50 years के हैं, 60 years के हैं, तो सीनियर सिटीजन है तो भी आपके लिए ब्यूटी पैजेंट है, आप कद में छोटे हैं तो भी आपके लिए ब्यूटी पैजेंट है, आप मैरिड हैं तो भी ब्यूटी पैजेंट है, आप प्लस साइज हैं तो भी ब्यूटी पैजेंट है, आप फिजिकली चैलेंज्ड हैं, आप ठीक से देख नहीं पाते, सुन नहीं पाते, या अनफॉर्चुनेटली आपको कोई और फिजिकल चैलेंज है, आपके लिए भी ब्यूटी पैजेंट्स है, मिस व्हील चेयर है, बहुत कुछ है. सो जस्ट वो डर को निकालिए. इट्स अ बेसिक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग एक्सरसाइज. और ये अब जब आप आते हैं तो दैट इज हाउ इट हेल्प्स यू टू बिल्ड योर कॉन्फिडेंस, टू गेट दैट वैल्यू बैक इन योरसेल्फ, जो मैंने कहा कि अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ मिलती है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग फॉर विच लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम, एंड आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ वर्थ. क्योंकि जिंदगी में कई बार लोगों के कहने से या सर्कमस्टेंसेस की वजह से हम अपनी वर्थ भूल जाते हैं, हमें लगता है वी आर नॉट वर्थ इट. बट जब हमें वो वर्थ मिलती है, रिकग्निशन मिलती है, वो प्यार लोगों से मिलता है, आई थिंक वो पेट्रोल है हमारी जिंदगी को आगे चलाने का.
True, ma'am. I totally resonate with you here. Or, ma'am, I would like to just share that, I was from aviation industry. मैंने 20 years aviation में बिताए, and I was content. I was happy. I had my babies there and everything. मतलब पूरा अपने, I was successful, working with a leading airline. So कुछ ऐसा नहीं था कि I had craving for something else. But deep in my heart, I didn't even know that there's something which is lacking or which is missing. But when this Manushi, she won, so then this triggered. And then, as you said, कि important होता है action लेना. So the thoughts were there कि मैं क्या करूँ, मैं क्या सीखूं और कैसे कर सकती हूँ. Life बहुत constant चल रही है, stagnant चल रहा है. इसके साथ आगे आपका promotion भी नहीं होगा. एक आपका limitations है. So that's when I took that action, and luckily God was kind. Though of course even my family also said that जरूरत क्या है, कि क्या है जरूरत, तुम इतनी कंटेंट हो, खुश है, सब कुछ तो है, तो इसमें क्यों बेकार में जाना, क्या करना, तुम तो हमारे लिए मिसेस इंडिया वैसे ही हो, यू डोंट हैव टू प्रूव इट. बट देन somehow I thought कि no, this is a thought which has come to my mind. Probably, let me not, last time when it came I was too young, I was probably in class 10, so let me not bury it this time, give it a try. So the moment I thought about it कि मुझे करना है, you'll be surprised, ma'am, that's the first time when I opened the internet and I found that there are so many pageants. इतने सालों से I was married for so many years, I didn't even realize कि Mrs. India exists also. कि there are so many pageants under the banner of Mrs. India, and I could have given it a shot earlier also. So it is very right कि जब आपको thought आता है, then you have to buy that ticket. जो शंकर जी ने कहा है कि ticket खरीद लो तो direction मिल जाएगा, आपकी lottery लग जाएगी. And I think this is exactly what happened with me. I joined this thing and pageantry, and once I won, दो आई ज्वाइन नॉट इसलिए कि जैसे आपने कहा कि कई लोग सिर्फ जीतने के लिए नहीं होते हैं, कुछ लोग सीखने के लिए भी होते हैं. तो वैसे मेरा भी यही था कि चलो मैं कुछ भी नहीं तो सीख तो जाऊंगी, बिकॉज आई वाज ऑन अ हायर एज ब्रैकेट आल्सो. आई थॉट प्रॉब्ली आई एम competing with these newly married, and I'm a mother of two, maybe I will not stand a chance, it's tough. But at least global level पे कुछ, जैसे आपने कहा कि मिलने से बहुत लोगों से सीखने को मिलता है, जो कि डेफिनेटली मिला, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. और साथ ही मैम, once I won, my other family members, I had I can proudly say that one of my Sasuma, which was the cousin Sasuma, she appeared for Mrs. Classic, and she won that. One of my cousin who is living in LA, she appeared for Miss LA India, and she won one of the titles. So it's just a chain. कई बार होता है सब इतने हेजिटेंट होते हैं कि क्या करना, क्या फायदा. बट टुडे आई फील दैट अगर मैंने ये नहीं एक्शन लिया होता, आई एम सो कंटेंट विद दिस वर्ल्ड, आई एम लाइकिंग इट. आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी सोल सैटिस्फाइंग फॉर मी, व्हाट आई कुड नॉट गेट all those years, that recognition, that that place, that I can also train people, I can also add value. This came from that one action of mine. So very well said, ma'am, that you need to take the right action. And probably I am able to take your interview today this way only because I have taken that action 4 years back, that I am here today interviewing someone who holds 39 years of experience in pageantry. So indeed a proud moment for me. Ma'am, we have few viewers questions, I should say, because I had asked them to send me questions. So Miss Suman had asked, modeling field has a mindset and parents don't allow. How do I convince them? So maybe some tips and tricks.
Okay, I completely understand this question. This question comes to me almost every day. So this question has two answers. One is that, yeah, a lot of parents hear things about the glamour world. But frankly, to the parents, I would like to tell them first that it's not just the glamour world. Everywhere in the world, there are good people and there are bad people. Even in the corporate, even in schools, even in colleges, everywhere you go, even in life, even in our families, there are good people and there are bad people. Or this is a bare fact of life, and we have to understand this, that there will always be good and bad people. So that should not stop you from stepping out of your house, because कितना भी आप अपने को सेव कर लो, गुड एंड बैड पीपल आर एवरीवेयर. सो पेरेंट्स शुड फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि सिर्फ मॉडलिंग में नहीं है, सब जगह होते हैं. सेकेंड, इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द चाइल्ड, आपने उसको संस्कार कैसे दिए हैं कि वो अपने को कैसे प्रेजेंट करता है. इफ यू हैव फेथ इन योर चाइल्ड कि वो अपने को अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करेगा, your child is raised well, she's not desperate to make it but she wants to try her hand, I think parents should let them be. But on the other side, बच्चे जो जाना चाह रहे हैं, they should at least earn the trust of their parents. सिर्फ बोलते हैं मॉडलिंग करना है, मॉडलिंग करना है, तो वो पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि फतूर है. कभी कहता है मेरे को फिल्म स्टार बनना है, कभी कहता है पुलिस वाला बनना है, कभी कहता है डॉक्टर बनना है, अब कह रहा है मेरे को मॉडल बनना है. पेरेंट्स डोंट टेक यू सीरियसली. So if you aim to go in a particular direction, you have to show them the passion. लेकिन वो कैसे, उस पे कुछ काम करके दिखाओ, कुछ उनको अपना होमवर्क दिखाओ कि तुमने कुछ किया है उसके बारे में, so that they also have the faith कि हाँ भाई ये इसका serious passion है, it is not just a passing phase. And then do something where you earn the trust of your parents, कि parents का trust आप earn करो, आप अपने को इस तरीके से कंडक्ट करो कि पेरेंट्स भी आप पे ट्रस्ट करें. एंड देन द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो फील कि हाँ आई कैन ट्रस्ट माई चाइल्ड क्योंकि उसने हमेशा से इस टाइप का बिहेवियर रखा है. एंड देन टुगेदर यू कैन जस्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट इनटू इट. एंड देन if the parents feel that the child is growing in a nice way and everything is doing fine, then I think they should let them go. क्योंकि आप जितना देखो, अगर आप प्लांट्स ग्रो करते हो और यू नो प्लांट्स के बीच में वीड्स भी उगते हैं और अच्छे प्लांट्स भी उगते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर वीड्स उग रहे हैं तो उसमें गुलाब नहीं उगेगा, गुलाब फिर भी उगेगा वीड्स के बीच में. सो कमल का फूल भी कीचड़ में ही खिलता है. सो इस सारी चीज को आप ध्यान में रखें कि बच्चे को इतनी फ्रीडम दे कि वो खुद सरवाइव करना सीखे. अगर उसकी हर चीज का आप ध्यान रखने लगेंगे तो कल जब वो जंगल में जाएगा तो अपने आप खुद को सरवाइव नहीं कर पाएगा. तो उसको हाथ पकड़ के आप जंगल में फेंकिए, कहते हैं ना पानी में फेंको तो स्विमिंग आती है. सो लेट द चाइल्ड बी, और फिर उस पर नजर रखिए, उससे बात करते रहिए. बी देयर फ्रेंड रादर देन बिकमिंग अ वार्डन, बी अ फ्रेंड. बच्चों को भी अपना ट्रस्ट दीजिए और बच्चे भी अपना ट्रस्ट जब देंगे, सो बोथ वेज व्हेन थिंग्स वर्क आउट, तब जाके आपको परमिशन मिलेगी इस लाइन में जाने के लिए. एंड यू हैव टू अर्न दैट ट्रस्ट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत सी बातें मार्केट में सुनने के लिए मिलती हैं, बट आई थिंक पेरेंट्स इसी तरफ ध्यान देते क्योंकि आपका बच्चा मॉडलिंग में जा रहा है, तो अगर आप देखें तो हर जगह ऐसी बातें सुनने के लिए मिलती हैं. सो आई होप दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन. She needs to show them her passion and she needs to earn their trust.
True, true. So very well said, ma'am. I think I really like that jungle का example because ये बहुत सही है कि sometimes parents are overprotective and they think okay we can really guard our children, but then yes, if not pageantry, if not modeling, even the whole world is a forest, you know, at a level. So you need to leave them loose so that they can manage on their own. So very well said. Ma'am, another question I have is a little different. What would have happened if there was no model and no celebs? This is from Harshal. To this
If
world.
there were
Probably
no
it's
models
like
and no celebs,
it looks
what
like
will happen if there were
no
the
models
question
and no
is what will
celebrities in
happen?
this world? What would happen if there were no models and no celebrities, celebs now?
Okay.
So this looks like
Okay,
a
so
pattern question and answer round, final question. You know, it's random question from Mr.
Okay.
Harshal.
Okay, so first and foremost, if there were no models and if there were no celebrities, I think we will all start copying each other, right? If you actually look at models and if you look at celebrities, they are influencers. You know, we follow what they do, what they wear, how they behave. So if there is no one we have to follow, then we will follow each other. And you never know whom you are following, whether you're following good things or whether you're following the bad things. So models and celebrities are role models whom we follow. Our eyes follow everything they do. We learn from them and we get inspired from them. If there were no models, who will want to look after your fitness? कौन अपनी fitness का ध्यान रखेगा? कौन सुंदर रखने का ध्यान रखेगा? If there were no celebrities, how will you work hard to see where they have reached with their मेहनत? So they are influencers. And अगर influencers नहीं होंगे तो हम एक दूसरे को follow करेंगे और एक दूसरे में मालूम नहीं हम क्या किसको follow कर रहे हैं, कौन हमें क्या सिखा रहा है. So you can say they are a part of life school. वो हमारे teachers and life school के. अगर वो नहीं होते तो ना जाने हम क्या सीखते.
Lovely. So this question, the person who's asked, he's here. So I hope you're happy with your question. And there's one more question on how do I convince my 19-year-old son that I want to appear for Mrs. India? It's from a mother
I can't
who.
get the, repeat the
How do
question. I
I?
didn't get.
Okay. So it's from a mother who is already a successful person in her life. She's independent. Now she's asking, how do I convince my 19-year-old son that I want to appear for Mrs. India? Are you
Whom does she
losing
want
the
to?
sound? Her son,
I don't know why.
19, 19 year
Acha,
old
she
son,
wants
to
how to that
convince
she
her
wants to go
son.
for.
Yes.
Okay.
Usually,
She
I though
first thing
usually
she
I.
has to. Yeah.
Hmm.
First thing she will have to do and sit down with the child and have a heart-to-heart talk. That he also has some dreams in his life. You know, um, whatever his dreams are, and first understand his dreams, and then make him understand that like he has dreams, everyone else has dreams. Dad has dreams, your sister has dreams, I also have dreams, and tell the child that this is only one life we have. Okay, he has a life ahead to fulfill his dreams, and now your chances of fulfilling the dreams are lesser because you have lived half your life. So he should let you be to actually fulfill your dream. And you should also make the child is also scared because maybe he has also heard stories about the glamour world and he wants to
Okay.
protect the mother. So you have to again make the child understand the same thing, that good and people bad people are everywhere, and that the mother will because the mother has protected the child and got him to 19 years of his life safely. She is good enough to protect her own self in bad environment. And she should also tell the child that it's a learning experience, a dream every girl has, and maybe one day he'll have a wife and she will also be one day be dreaming to wear that crown. So it all comes down to sapna. You know, there is a very nice quote, I think, which is by अब्दुल कलाम जी, कि जो सपने देखना जानते हैं उनके लिए रातें भी उनके लिए दिन भी छोटे होते हैं, और जो सपने साकार करना जानते हैं उनके लिए रातें भी छोटी होती हैं. So something like that. So you know, life is moving ahead. We are not going back. We are moving forward. Every day we are reducing by seconds time from our life. We are on that journey. The story, you know, we have already, the lady is married with a 19-year-old child. Her life story is already started. The beginning is done. The midlife is now happening. And now the conclusion is just lying ahead. So just tell this child that, you know, you want to leave a legacy behind. You want to be remembered for not just only being a mother, but also being successful in her life. And this is what her dream is. Just tell her that this is the legacy I want to leave behind. And she wants to make the child feel proud. Just tell him it's not only for me, it's also for you. When I win, it's not just I will feel happy, but you will also feel proud and happy that your mother is Mrs. India or has won Mrs. Crown. So it's
Very
basically
well
about
said.
convincing the child, and also about having the kind of relationship she has with her child. You know,
Correct,
some
ma'am.
mothers don't have that nicer relationship with their children, so then the children don't listen to you. But if the relationship is fine, and first don't talk about your dream, first make him come out with his own dreams. You know, you play the game opposite. When he comes up with his dream, then talk about your dreams. So sometimes you have to tweak the things as a mother to get your children to do certain things. So that's a part of being a good parent. You know how to use your parenting in the right way.
Yes, it's a pinch of parenting also. So I hope, Geeta, this answers to your question. However, I do feel that these days, there are a lot of kids who are actually motivating their parents to participate. You know, I hear a lot
Yes,
of
yes.
stories where mothers come and say on the stage that हमारे बच्चों ने भेजा है, मेरे में confidence नहीं है, पर वो कह रहे नहीं मम्मा आप कर सकते हो. So there are all kind of
Yes.
relations and things around. So of course I'm sure with the tips that you gave, we would want her that her child should get convinced and you must appear for Mrs. India. So ma'am, jate jate, I think we're about to have come to a closure now. So any nice advice? You have already given us so many on with words of wisdom and a lot of things to imbibe. And but jate jate, something interesting, something nice advice or tips to everyone, which could be a motivating thing and things to remember.
Well, I will just leave you with two important things you must cultivate in your life. One is never ever compare yourself to anyone. No one is like you. Even twins are not the same. So my biggest quote, everybody puts this as the biggest quote of Rita Gangwani, which I totally believe is, you are a designer piece God has created. So create your designer life. So don't cut, copy, paste. ये क्या कर रहा है, ये क्या कर रहा है, ओ ये मेरे से आगे बढ़ गया, वो इतनी सुंदर है, वो इतनी लंबी है. Just stop comparing yourself to anyone. You are unique. Your life is unique. Your story is unique. So create your own designer life. So that is my first thing. Don't cut, copy, paste. Be unique. And second is, always remember, have patience. Things happen at the right place at the right time. आप कितना भी तेज दौड़ लो, चीजें तभी होंगी जब उनको होनी है. वक्त से पहले और किस्मत से ज्यादा कभी नहीं मिलता. सो बी पेशेंट. मेरा टाइम आएगा और आएगा. अब उस टाइम को आप किस तरीके से यूज करते हो, दैट्स अप टू यू. बट हर इंसान का टाइम आता है. हर इंसान के दिन बदलते हैं. हैव पेशेंस. आज नहीं तो कल, कल नहीं तो परसों. Things will change, because the only truth in life is that it is constantly changing. मौसम बदलते हैं, दिन बदलता है, घंटे बदलते हैं. Everything changes. So things will change. Have patience. Life is like a wheel. सुख भी आता है, दुख भी आता है, सुख भी आता है, दुख भी आता है. So if you're going through bad times, good times are ahead. And if you're going through good times, be prepared. There may be some bad times ahead, because this is what life is. It's a roller coaster, ups and downs. So have patience. Bad times also pass, good times also pass.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think one of the viewers here had mentioned about patience. So it's so nice. So these two tips we'll remember, everyone would remember. And thank you so much for your time. Once again, I would like to thank everyone who has joined us for this interesting, wonderful session. I truly enjoyed. I also learned a lot, and especially these two last tips I would keep in mind myself. And thank you so much once again for joining us and accepting my invite. Wish you all the best in life. Keep learning, keep evolving, and keep inspiring everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless
Thank
you,
you,
and
everyone.
God bless everyone who joined us today. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay positive, wear your mask, use sanitizer, or 2 गज की दूरी. Very important.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye, ma'am.
Most
Thanks.
welcome. Bye.
Bye.